Hey everybody, it's Lori with Team Cashy. I'm here today at 9009 Kingsbury Place in the gated golf community of Stony Brook and Heritage Harbor. When you walk in this 2,100 square foot home, to your right, you've got 2 guest bedrooms along with a full bath and linen closet. To your left is the laundry room and the 2-car garage. Nice wide hallways here, opens up into a great room. Beautiful kitchen over here to your right, white cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, tons of countertop space, glass block underneath those cabinets over there to give you extra light. You've got your master on the opposite side of the house, so tons of privacy here, split floor plan, really large oversized master, great room here, den in the back. So you have a dedicated office, which is looking out to this beautiful private preserve. When you step outside, you've got lots of greenery out here, plenty of room for a pool, should you want one, although Stony Brook does have its own community pool. Low monthly HOA fees here. You've also got lots of nice amenities. It is a golf course community. If you wanted to be involved, you don't have to be. And it's coming on the market at $499.9. We'll be open this Sunday. Give us a call.